obviously the video quality is obviously not as good, but it's just like a secondary camera where it streams to the why he's a VAS. Why he's moving him out the way? VAS925. He uses sirens to move a car out the way, speeding. And the thing, I think he's allowed to have lights and sirens as a volunteer. I mean, a volunteer EMS. But that's fucking abusing. Waiting last minute. DVZ 5903. Chris here. We got a couple of unmarked units. What is this though? What's going on? We got one guy in custody.